Hi guys, it's Miss Amber again, and we will be doing another activity, and the activity is called Magic Milk Experiment. It's a science experiment. Um, so what you will need is a bowl, just a small bowl is fine. Um, Food coloring, a Q-tip, and then some milk, and then um, a dish soap. It doesn't matter what kind you use, just any kind. And then, so I'll show you how to make that. What we'll have to do is put some milk in the bowl. And then you'll put some food coloring in the bowl that you have with the milk. And you can use all the colors, or you can use just two. Doesn't matter. So I'll do blue, and maybe I'll do red. So you just put like about maybe 3, 4 drops. And then I'll do green, and then the same. You can put like 4 drops. And then maybe I'll just do another color. Maybe I'll do yellow. And then the same, you can just do like 4 drops. And then you take a Q-tip and then some of your soap, and you just put a little bit of soap on the end of the Q-tip. And then you put this Q-tip inside of the bowl that you put your food coloring in. And then you just mix it around, and all the colors will come together. So I'll show you a little bit. Do you guys see it? So I think I'm going to put maybe a few more colors. I'll do red. Alright, you guys ready? And you can also put more colors if you would like. But that's kind of how you do the experiment. It should like change colors and stuff. It's just a fun experiment to watch all the colors. Um, you know, so well, that is it today. Hopefully you like my experiment, and hopefully you can try and see what you guys think. And I will be back to do another activity. Okay? Bye.